Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the outer window belt molding on a Toyota Land Cruiser 100. I'll go through the entire process step by step, so you can remove it safely without damaging the molding or the door. Before we get started, open the door and remove this screw first. This screw must be removed before taking off the molding. Here's where it's located. Once the screw is removed, we can start removing the molding. It's best to begin from the side near the side mirror. The first method is to remove it by hand. Gently pull the molding outward from this end, then apply a firm, steady pull toward yourself. If done correctly, the clips will begin to release one by one, allowing the molding to come off. If it's too tight to remove by hand, you can use a flathead screwdriver, or, even better, a plastic trim removal tool. Carefully pry the molding outward from the bottom. Don't force it in one spot. Instead, work your way along the molding, releasing it a little at a time. This helps prevent damage to the molding or its retaining clips. As the gap becomes larger, the molding will unclip much more easily. Once it's fully released, you can remove the front outer window belt molding completely.